Earthquake has destroyed factories, schools, and residential buildings. It has also brought disaster to people. Emergency rescue and aid are needed in the disaster area. After the earthquake, our rescue center will bring the rescue equipment and relief supplies to the disaster area, using transportation means such as aircrafts and automobiles. The emergency rescue team will also set out for the disaster area immediately to conduct rescue operations. Before the rescue team reaches the disaster area, they must have a good idea of the situation on the ground as part of their preparations. Follow me, team! Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Now, operate the drone. Pictures taken by the drone. They will form a complete map when placed together like a jigsaw puzzle. The map is ready! Awesome! Formed a map. It looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Captain Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map. Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there. Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Loudspeaker, rope, cutting pliers. I want to bring these rescue tools with me. Electric saw, folding stretcher, jack, these are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Tripod, shovel, optical detector. Where are all these rescue tools? Oxygen tank, protective mask, crowbar, good job! Let us set out for the disaster area right now. We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go. Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost there. Keep going! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the pre-rescue tasks with all that effort. This is a bravery medal for you. Keep going! We are finally here at the heart of the disaster area, and our efforts are sorely needed here. Let us hurry and begin. Factory rescue!
Oh no! Fire! Run away in the direction opposite to the fire! Place a handkerchief or piece of clothing over the mouth and nose. Smoke rises upwards. Bend over or crouch as you move forward to avoid choking on the smoke. Never take the elevator in the event of a fire. The fire has not spread to the ground level. Head down quickly using the stairs. Great! You are here!
Mayor, what is the situation now with that building?
The warehouse over there is on fire, and I have just made it out. There are many important goods inside the warehouse, and we have to move them quickly.
Take a deep breath, Mayor. Hank, let us first put out the fire, and then ship the goods. No problem. Drag the firefighting lance to put out the fire. Put the fire out as quickly as possible. Put the fire out as quickly as possible. Awesome! The fire has been put out. Let us go inside the warehouse and start shifting the goods. Oh no, the door is about to collapse. We will have to reinforce it. There's not enough support for the frame. Add more support. Place the wedges inside the gaps. We will also have to nail the planks to the four corners of the frame. Great job! Let us now go inside and start shifting the goods. Food and water are now in short supply inside the disaster area. Locate these items and then place them in the respective groups. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes. Let us move away these boxes.
Thank you very much, rescue team. You have helped to save so much goods for us in such a dangerous situation. This is a bravery badge for you.
Residential building rescue.
Rescue team, Whiskers is still trapped in that building. Please, save him.
Please do not worry, Mayor. We will get this all sewn up. Time is running out. Start now. We start searching from the roof. The sonic detectors are used to locate Whiskers' voice as he calls for help. Place the detectors in the right positions according to the numbers shown. 2, 3, 4, 4. 5, 6, 6. Connect the tables to the detectors. Signals at this position are very strong and regular. Whiskers may be there. We need to check again to see if Whiskers is down there. This is an optical detector that is used to scan for signs of life. thread its camera through the opening, and we will be able to locate Whiskers on the screen. Where is Whiskers? This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. This is not Whiskers. We have yet to find Whiskers. Adjust the camera and look closely again. This is not Whiskers. There he is! He has been striking a surface in a rhythmic manner as a means of sending an SOS signal. Go save him! Quickly, cut the cement board to create a rescue path. Set up the tripod. Come help lift the cement board. Let us now put on our rescue equipment and head down there for Whiskers. Quickly locate the needed rescue tools. Safety harness. Gloves. Spare hooks. Flashlight. Rescuer vest. Safety hat. Knee and elbow pads. Quickly help me put on rescue equipment, and then we can hurry to save Whiskers. Safety harness. Flashlight. Gloves. Spare hooks. Knee and elbow pads. Safety hat. Rescuer vest. Thank you. I am done putting on the equipment, and now we head down for Whiskers. Keep safe as you descend. Watch out! Stay away from the obstacles! Whiskers, we are here for you! Thank you! I kept making a sound with an iron rod, hoping that you will find me. You have done very well. Come, let us head back up together. Okay.
It's been tough on you, rescue team. You are truly heroes for rescuing Whiskers. Here is a bravery badge for you.
School rescue. Rescue team, come help us. Ho-Ho's gone missing. Slow down a little, Miss Maymay. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. Clear out the obstacles as quickly as you can. Is someone there? Is someone there? What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. There seems to be something here. Is someone there? I'm over here. Are you Ho-Ho? I am Ho-Ho. Come save me, please.
Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. Are you hurt?
Oh, it's so dark in here, and I can't see anything. My leg hurts so much. Good boy, Ho-Ho. Hang in there for a little while more and don't cry. We are working to save you right now. First, we will have to open up a hole in the wall. Hand me a crowbar. Place the jack inside. Place the jack inside. Raise the jack a little. A concrete block is in the way. Get ready to break it up. Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. We're on the way. First, wipe the face. Have some water, Ho-Ho. Ouch, it really hurts.
Oh dear, Ho-Ho may have fractured his leg. Let's bandage it up first before moving it.
right, and now we'll bring you out. Great! Ho-Ho, you are safe now!
Ho-Ho, can you tell us how you protected yourself during the earthquake?
It happened during PE class. I was not feeling well and stayed alone in the classroom. The sudden earthquake frightened me. I put my school bag on my head and hid under the desk, as my teacher said. It was all dark around me and my leg was hurting badly. I was so frightened. And then I remembered my teacher saying that I should not be crying or yelling loudly. Instead, I should try to conserve my energy because someone will eventually come for me.
You did the right thing, Ho-Ho! Awesome!
Thank you so much, rescue team. You have managed to locate Ho-Ho, even with all the difficulties and danger present. This is a bravery badge for you.
Rescue efforts are still needed at these spots. Keep going! Residential building rescue.